a round of applause to Mom Delia! Wow! The woman of the hour, Delia!
Again, isang masigabong palakpakan to Madam Delia, the dazzling woman of tonight. Of course, accompanied by the very supportive and loving sons, Sir Lyndon and Sir Philip.
Please, come up on the stage, face the audience. Wow, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Clap your hands, please. The woman of the hour, Delia!
And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, let's give this moment to offer a beautiful flower that is filled with love. Let us all welcome Sir Julius to hand the bouquet.
Wow. Clap your hands together, please. Receive your beautiful bouquet of flowers coming from Julius.
And now to offer and to strengthen the spirit of happiness and family, let us all welcome and clap your hands together for Mambea to offer the chocolate basket.
Wow.
8 decades and 8 years of richly experienced life call for a jubilant celebration. In the vast tapestry of time, where recollections and adventures weave together, there lies life journey adorned with joy, affection, and treasured instants. Today we come together to rejoice in the extraordinary odyssey of a remarkable individual who has attained the remarkable milestone of 88 years. This piece pays tribute to a life brimming with accomplishments, trials, and vibrant essence that has etched an enduring impression on the hearts of those fortunate to cross paths. Each pressing year contributes a new chapter to the captivating saga of one's life. And at 88, the narrative becomes even more extraordinary. Join us in composing truly distinctive and age-defying message that celebrate a life well lived and anticipate the incredible moments that lie ahead. Cheers to 88 years of an exceptional journey.
Hi everyone, I'm here to present this plaque of rights and privileges. We, the grandchildren of Delia P. Datakin, hereby grant her the following rights and privileges. 1. For Delia to be immune from her scrutiny and ridicule in her moment of forgetfulness or mental block. 2. For Delia to receive patience, love, and understanding in times that her hearing ability fails her. Granted this 23rd day of September 2024. So help us God. In behalf of your grandchildren, John Patrick Datakin, Julius Gabriel Datakin, Bea Patricia Datakin, and myself, Brian Christopher Datakin, give you this plaque of rights and privileges.
Wow, what a unique and nice rights and privileges coming from the Apos. Let's give all a huge round of applause to all the Datakin Apos. Ayun. Thank you so much, sir.
Good evening, everybody. Happy birthday, Delia. For the record, there were 14 of us when my father, Hilario Chavez Arenas of Colton, married my mother, Margarita Yap of Ayumun, Negros Oriental. They were blessed with 14 children in various chapters of their lives. Of course, Delia is entitled to forget. After all, she's not as old as she thinks she is. Delia is number 4. I am number 7, and there are only 2 of us left. So between 4 and 7, you have 7, 11. So how can you forget that? She has the responsibility of taking care of me, and she did a very good job of saving me 3 times. Otherwise, I would be a felon behind bars. But she's always been an angel in my life. That is why when we run this race of life, she will be the last one to finish. I will finish ahead of her because she has that responsibility in seeing to it that I do not go wrong, that I follow a straight path to heaven. And that is her mission in life. She did a very good job of raising 2 sons and 4 grandchildren. I could not say that of myself, even if I have 8 legitimate children. But she's always there behind me. And so, while our siblings were running fast, like the African cheetah, she and I are slowly crawling like the proverbial Filipino turtle. We check every nook and cranny. We do not leave anything unturned. And so, in this race, I'm gonna beat her. I will move faster as a turtle, faster than she can ever do it. Should I, when I am gone, celebrate it with a ballroom dancing like this one? Because I love to dance, and she loves to dance, and I learned to dance because she demanded that I learn it, and that we became dancing partners. So when one goes, the other one will be left behind, but we will meet again in heaven, and we will be dancing together once more. Happy birthday, Delia.
Ang ako niyang ihambal sa inyo because of your name, Delia. So be devoted. You see how your sons are now with their wonderful wives, Emily and Joe, and their children, JP, Julius, Brian, and Bea. You were a devoted wife, balaan ko na si Tay Ibi. How you took care of him. You loved with each other. So devoted ka mo. E, elegant. Look at you now. Are you 88? No. But I remember, right, when you were still teaching, you were living with us compound, your mom always nagatahi sa mga manami nga mga bayo. Kay si Auntie Betty, your doctor na magulang, was a smart dresser. So every time magpulik si mama mo, may bayo, gid siya nadala. Right, Uncle Ferrante? Ang mga style niya subong, wala niya sa mga style ni mama mo. How the sleeves were placed na namit-nami mga collar. So, ginalook at kami kaya mga elegant ka. L, loving. Look at your family. We don't need to explain how loving you are. Just look at your family now. If it was not anchored on love, then ano matabo? So, kung ano sila subong, it's because you gave all your love to them, to your family. Di ba na, Uncle Ferrante? No? So, L na kita. I. Ang imo I, intelligent. When you were a teacher, I know how you molded students, labi na sa home economics. Ang mga bata subong, hindi na galing kabalo magluto sa simple nga mga menu. Hindi na galing kabalo magpang-surse. Hindi na kabalo maglimpyo isda. But because you were a good, intelligent teacher, lalo na Bachelor of Science in Home Economics. Nasubrahan kita, may ED pa, Bachelor of Science in Education. Galing kay straight sa Home Economics. Okay. Intelligent. A. Accommodating. You know sa family namon, even my cousins abroad or anybody would come to ask your help, you accommodate. Bisan na budlayan ka pa, you find means to accommodate. And even sa inyong mga upod sa BCBP. Sa una na hagdo kagid ko ng balon kanina nga ma-lecture or ma-share. Ginatangan tar kagid. Kay siling mo, panugin ka sa akon, dahil bet basi hindi ko kaya. But because you are intelligent, you are gifted, you were able to accommodate whatever ang inakamayo sa inyo. Damo pa ko tali hambal bilang hinabros mo. Kasi Auntie Dels, amo na ni siyang nabilin na wife sang akong tatay kang sa akong mga tiyo. So nanay ni siya namin tanan. Even ang mga apo, mga bata, kabataan, wala ni katawag siya Lula Dels, Auntie Dels, young at heart. Look at her now. So, to sum up, it's Delia. Happy 88th birthday, Auntie Dels. Damo pa ko ang bal, but how many minutes cannot contain all that I can say.
Wow, thank you. Thank you very much. I know that you were expecting me only, but lo and behold, you've got the whole clan. Anyway, growing up, I don't really have a good relationship with Auntie Dels because we were in Dumaguete and she's here in Iloilo, forming and taking care of her family. So when I was assigned here in Iloilo for work, that was the time that I was really able to come to know her better. Okay, so Auntie Dels is a very devoted wife, mother, as mentioned earlier. Of course, I've been a witness of Sunday's family lunches because I've been a part of it for so many years. And any activities in the family, she is always like the ultimate decision maker. Even if there are other suggestions, but bottom line, she is the decision maker. And she's very energetic. At 88 years old, she has lots of activities pa din. Okay? Even if her physical body is weak, her mind is always running and we have so many things to do. Okay? So even her mind until now is very energetic at 88. And she's lovely. One time, I did not sleep in my apartment because I slept with a cousin in a hotel. And she knew about it because my landlady is her friend, was her friend, si Dr. Kanha. And then si Dr. Kanha told her, Dels, wala pala nagtulog din si Pati kagabi. So of course, she's a worrier, okay? And like, she would really have to have like hands-on on everybody, every member of the family. Abaw, he called Faleg, my cousin. From the hotel, I proceeded to Faleg's house. And then I was just chilling there because it was a Sunday. Lo and behold, the telephone rang. Aga nila si Patty, and I was the one who was able to answer, Auntie Dels, ginpakita mo ko? And I was already like an adult, okay? So that's how loving she is to family members. And she is very inspiring also. Like on the side of the Latakin family, she's actually the oldest member also of the Pareñas family. And siya Lydia Pareñas, gitsaya. Okay? Very inspiring because she's the only one who reached the age of 88. And hopefully, si Uncle Rante also will surpass that age at the same time. Okay? Out of the 12, and I will concur with Auntie Delia, she said there were 12 because they were 12 growing up. So, hindi na naging count ang duha because wala naman to. Okay? So, that's why she said that there were 12. Okay? And she is the third for the record. Birthday niya
today. Okay? So let's give it up to her. Alright? And then, si Auntie Dels is very amusing also. As an aunt, although she's very strict, okay? Growing up, we know her as a very strict aunt, but she's very amusing. We can crack jokes to her. She can actually be a laughing stock to us also at the same time. She can roll with the punches. One time, we were traveling from Iloilo to Dumangas because we were traveling to Dumaguete. Mapuli kami sa Dumaguete. I was driving and she was like, Pat, because Sun Cellular was still new at the time. Pat, kanami bala sang promo sang Suncell. Kuya, ante, siya 20 pesos lang per month. Ano 20 pesos per month, ante? 20 pesos lang per month? Ang call, ang text na. Sabi ko, kaya 20 pesos, ante? Siya, yes! Sigurado din ko yan because nag-loan ni Kuya 20 pesos para for 1 month, ang call, ang text. Okay, so I was driving and then pulit ko din siya. Are you sure, Auntie? 20 pesos per month din? Oo, 20 pesos. Sabi ko, hindi, guro, 200 pesos per month. So siya, ay, oo, gabi! 200 pesos per month! Ako na siya, di ba? So, we have so many, amusing situations with Auntie Dels. But of course, ako na siya, very light-hearted na siya. Because she can also accept that at the same time. So, okay, Auntie Dels, you are loved. Because if not, wala kami. Alright? And she was so surprised because we said that, we are not coming, we don't have time. And then, of course, ang ibuman na family members, nag-connive man sa amon, kay surprise ka. Okay? So, we wish you a very happy birthday. We wish you good health in behalf of the Pareñas family. May you be able to achieve more of what you want to do in life and that you'll be able to enjoy that with your family. Sorry, long story, but I just want to tell you that. Thank you, Auntie Dels. Happy birthday.
So, are you happy? We're here. Sorry, white lies. I told Auntie Delia na I won't be able to come here due to work, but I've got leaves, and my daughter is not planning for any birthday celebration. Thus, the family decided to come in secret and connivance with the family members as well. Ante, thank you very much for being strong for us. You are, you know that you are my confidant in whatever decisions that I'm handling with the family issues. You're always the first one to call that I'll be calling, and thank you very much for making the right decisions for the family. And thank you lang.
Let's drink to that.
This is the day the Lord has made.
Yes, indeed.
The day Sister Dels received the gift of life, 8 years ago. Let us all rejoice and be glad indeed, in joyful and grateful thanksgiving. Our dear Sister Dels, members of your family, Don, Philip, the rest of the members of the family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Without hesitation, I said yes to Sis Becky's request to say a message for Sister Dels tonight, because I took it as a privilege to appreciate a strictly unique woman with strength of character. Thank you, Sister Dels, for bringing us together to honor you and celebrate your special day with you. We are grateful for this opportunity of joining you to express our love and appreciation for being such a wonderful mom, granny, tita, friend, and a cherished sister in the BCBP community. I consider you a pillar of our community. Birthday comes only once a year, and Sis Dels is a year older today. So what? I say so what because if there is any cheer and joy Sis Dels wish today, if there is any blessing she'll ask today, undeniably she will be granted. Who can deny an 88-year-old? Sis Dels, your posture has stooped a bit, but the aura of abundance is very visible. The way you make up your face, the costly jewelries you wear, the simple yet elegant clothes you don, with matching footwear and signature bags, reflect a woman fulfilled in almost all aspects of life and living. But above all these material abundance is the abundance of your very self-giving to others. The love, the empathy, and care you have for others, affording your patient listening ears to others, understanding others without being judgmental, a woman with a prayerful and joyful disposition, and innumerable reasons that you make yourself admirable, amiable, and above all, Sis Dels, lovable. Just like all of us, I would say that perhaps your faith journey of life has not been all bed of roses or smooth always. You too have faced inevitable challenges in life. You too have your own ups and downs.
I call you, thank you for having us here. On behalf of BCBP Molo and the whole community as I represent, when I entered this evening, when I saw your age, 88, I felt bothered. You know why? I felt bothered because I asked myself, at that age, will I still be serving? And you just made me realize that there is no retirement to serve. And if there's one message that I would like to leave you in that your charm, and every time I would see you in the community, there's always that message. I feel secure and safe. Why? Your presence and influence in the members is really very, very impactful. That's why when selecting for leaders, sabi nila mas bata, mas okay. But I would always choose you to be there. Because your wisdom and the influence you've got is really, parang I feel good. And your presence secures me of, wow, I wish I could be part of your action group and learn a lot from you. I know you're strict, but if I am going to describe you to a Chinese brand of car, you are a Jetour Dashi. If you are a Chevrolet, maybe you are a Captiva because you always captivate people. And a lot of people have held captive in your arms. And when every time you say, they follow. And of course, Japanese brands will always be, but mas gusto ko medyo social, Lexus. You're a Lexus because, as what everybody says, you're a symbol of love to us. And thank you for your presence with EX because at your age, you are really extraordinary. And U and S stands for your untiring service that has always been well, I hope that you will become a really living example of the community and be inspired. My prayers for you is that the Lord will continue to give you all. I will demand the Lord to give you all that what you need because of what you have given to each one. We love you. Happy birthday.
I consider myself very lucky because I grew up with Mama Lo, my grandmother. I have memories as a child with her in her home in Haro every Sunday with Papa Lo. But today, we celebrate your 88th birthday. But for me, I also celebrate the memories that I have with you growing up, but also the new memories that I'm making with you now that I'm old. So not a lot of grandchildren get to speak with their grandmother as an adult. So I consider myself very lucky that I am celebrating your 88th birthday with you, and I hope that we get to celebrate more together. Happy birthday, Mama Lo.
Good evening. First of all, I thank the Lord for the blissful gift of life. Amen. Then to my two security guards, Len Drew and Phil, for their love. Thank you for their love, care, and support. Grabe ang CQ ko, halos tanan bawal. Sa wala ang parents, ako na ang bata. And of course, with their beautiful wives, very loving, caring, supportive wives as well. Emily and Jocelyn. Thank you. They are the ones who spearheaded this affair. Kay utso-utso na ako. And involved for the oldest now, senior. They do not want me to be involved in their planning because they do not want me to be stressed. Ilanitanan pa dito. To my apos or grandchildren, John Patrick, Brian, Bea, our princess, and Julius. Thank you for your love and respect. Sometimes, napikon man ako sa joke nila. Si Mama Lo Balay, joke lang na, with hugs and kisses. Maakit ka ba? Natunaw ka eh. Love you, Apos. To my brother, Dr. P, who lives alone in Antique. Mind you, we are 12, not 14. Siblings. And 2 na lang kami. So, survivor of the fittest. And also to his daughter, Ari, who visited him from the US and extended her stay for my party. Thank you, Ari. To my Parenas family who came from Dumaguete, unknowingly they're here now. Thank you. And to my Latakin families, thank you for coming. To all my friends, thank you too. And lastly, to my BCBP community which keeps me alive and kicking. With my BCBP community, I always look forward for our activities. Like, for example, our mission, intercessory ministry prayer, action group meetings, breakfast meetings, teachings, praise and worship prayers. This is where I grow spiritually. Damong lessons makuha ko na, I said, it keeps me alive and kicking. Without this community, siguro depression ako. Kaya I live alone with one helper. Thank you for all those who came to grace the occasion. It keeps it more lively. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Excuse me. I've always been known in the family as the intruder, and so I'm going to intrude. We do not lead a perfect life. We make inadvertent mistakes, and I want to correct the mistake. For every successful man, there is always a woman. For every successful activity, the women are more powerful and run the show. I'd like us to recognize Emily Latakin, the wife of, what's her name again? Mindel, and Josephine Latakin, the wife of Philip. Please take a bow. And I'd like to recognize them further by asking you to give them the applause as they move over to their mother and have a memorable picture taken. They do deserve this, don't they? Please go, the four of you. And then after this, will the lovely children join them? Thank you for letting me intrude.
Happy birthday to you. Everybody please sing.
Happy birthday to you.
Louder please. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This time make it faster. Clap your hands together. Happy birthday, Delia.
Come on.
Happy birthday, Delia. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Delia.
Music stop, everyone. Ma'am Delia, let's close our eyes together. Let's give wish and prayers for Ma'am Delia. And let's count 1 to 88 by 10.
Okay, everybody, let's count. 10, 20, 30,